Take a look at the forecast here, and as we continue through the morning hours, we'll see some showers popping up offshore. We don't have any rainfall around right now. All of our radar sweeps going here, but we certainly have some showers that are easing up from the south, and a few of those could develop right along the coast this morning. So we'll watch for that for you and keep you up to date. Got some showers off to the west and some down to the south, but we do have some drier air that has pushed on in. It's still going to be hot and humid, and we still have some chances for rain. Here's Vipercast, and by the time you head out the door this morning, still a few showers offshore. By the time we get to the end of your lunch hour, we could see a couple of showers moving in along the coast, and then some chances for inland showers and a few thunderstorms this afternoon. But on the whole, we have lowered rain chances for today straight through the weekend, with only about a 30% chance for rain along the coast each day and about a 40 to 50% chance for our inland communities, especially around Lake Okeechobee, straight through the weekend. So we'll take a close-up look at your weekend and when our rain chances will really start to pick up again.